Hey everybody, it's Neil, and look at this mess of wires behind my desk here. So my goal is going to be to organize them. I have this, which is going to, connect up to it. It's going to connect up to my desk around here. You see like that, and then it'll have a hanging little basket deal here, which will hold the wires. I think we have two parts there, one long part here, one long part. Let's see. It will be the full length of my desk, or almost, and then it'll have these hooks on there holding it on. So I'm gonna go set this up and you'll see what it looks like when it's done. Okay, so now you can see I have it hooked up here. I just did it with these hooks here. I just kind of, clipped it on and then rotated these up and it's kind of holding on. I could do it that way. It also comes with screw holes here, so I could just screw it right onto the desk if I wanted it to be more permanent. Didn't want these things sticking up here, which for me, I don't really care right now. Actually, I probably will end up doing that just because I like everything super organized. But then you see, you've got all these places here to put straps and strap things in. So I have all these different cables going all over the place. But in a little bit, I'm just going to be, you see I have these cables here. It's just going to be covered up and inside of there. And it's the back of my desk. And so everything's going to be there. All those wires and stuff you see there won't be there shortly. So it'll just be a nice organized little setup here. So that's going to be cool. Looks great. I love it. Thumbs up for sure.